Have you ever done something just because everyone else was doing it? Have you ever followed a path because others expected you to, not because you wanted to? Many people spend their whole lives chasing dreams that are not their own. They study what their parents choose. They work in jobs they hate. They try to be like everyone else, and they forget who they really are. Today, I want to share a powerful story with you. A story about a young man who had the courage to be different. A story that will make you think about your own life. Let's see what lesson we will learn from this story.
Once upon a time, there was a young man named Alex. Alex was 22 years old. He lived in a small town where everyone knew everyone. Alex's father was a successful doctor. His mother was a lawyer. His older brother was an engineer. Everyone in his family was successful and respected. From the time Alex was a child, everyone told him, "You will be a doctor like your father. You will make us proud." So Alex studied hard. He got excellent grades. He went to medical school. Everyone was happy. Everyone was proud. Everyone except Alex. Alex was now in his third year of medical school. On the outside, everything looked perfect. But inside, Alex felt empty. Every morning he woke up and felt heavy. He went to his classes, but his mind was somewhere else. He studied medical books, but he felt no passion. Passion means strong love and excitement for something. At night, Alex would sit by his window and look at the stars. He felt like he was living someone else's life. He felt like he was wearing a mask that hid his true self. One night, Alex's mother found him crying in his room. She asked, "What is wrong, son? You have everything. Why are you sad?" Alex looked at her and said quietly, "I don't want to be a doctor, Mom. I never did." His mother was shocked. She said, "What do you mean? This has been your dream since you were a child." Alex shook his head. "No, Mom. It was never my dream. It was Dad's dream. It was your dream. It was everyone's dream for me, but it was never mine." His mother asked, "Then what do you want, Alex? What is your dream?" Alex took a deep breath. He had never said these words out loud before. "I want to be a musician. I want to write music. I want to create songs that touch people's hearts." His mother's face turned pale. She said, "A musician? Alex, that is not a real career. What will people think? What will your father say?" Alex felt his heart break, but he also felt something else. He felt relief. Relief because he finally told the truth. The next weeks were very hard. Alex's father was angry. He said, "I worked my whole life to give you this opportunity, and you want to throw it away for music?" His brother said, "Alex, be realistic. Musicians don't make money. You will regret this." Even his friends said, "Are you crazy? Medical school is a guaranteed success. Music is just a hobby." Everyone had an opinion. Everyone had advice. Everyone told Alex he was making a mistake. But one person understood: Alex's grandmother. She was 80 years old and very wise. She took Alex's hand and said, "I spent my whole life doing what others wanted. I never followed my heart. Now I'm old, and my biggest regret is that I never tried. Don't make my mistake, Alex. Life is too short to live someone else's dream." After much thought, Alex made his decision. He left medical school. His family was disappointed. His friends thought he was foolish. The whole town talked about him. Alex felt scared. What if everyone was right? What if he failed? But he also felt something he had not felt in years. He felt alive. He felt free. Alex moved to the city. He got a small apartment. He worked part-time jobs to pay his bills. And every free moment, he wrote music. The first year was hard, very hard. Alex struggled. He had little money. He lived simply. Sometimes he wondered if he made the wrong choice. But every time he picked up his guitar, every time he wrote a song, he felt joy, real joy. Not the fake happiness of pleasing others, but the true happiness of doing what he loved. 2 years passed. Alex never stopped creating. He posted his songs online. At first, only a few people listened, then hundreds, then thousands. One day, a music producer discovered Alex's songs. The producer loved his unique style. Alex's music was different. It was honest. It came from the heart. The producer offered Alex a recording contract. Alex couldn't believe it. His dream was coming true. Within 1 year, Alex's first album became very popular. His songs played on the radio. People from all over the world listened to his music. They said his songs touched their souls. Alex was not rich yet, but he was happy, truly happy. He was doing what he loved. He was being himself. 3 years after leaving medical school, Alex went back to his hometown. His family invited him for dinner. His father looked at him. For a long time, he said nothing. Then, slowly, he smiled. He said, "Alex, I was wrong. I wanted you to have a secure life, but I forgot that happiness is more important than security. I'm proud of you, not because you're successful, but because you had the courage to follow your heart." His mother hugged him with tears. She said, "You're braver than I ever was." Even his brother said, "I admire you, Alex. You inspire me to think about what I really want." Alex realized something important. When you have the courage to be yourself, you give others permission to be themselves too. Alex's story teaches us powerful lessons. First, other people's dreams are not your dreams. Your parents want the best for you, but they can't live your life. Only you can. Second, success without happiness is not success. What is the point of having money, status, and respect if you are miserable inside? Third, it takes courage to be different. People will judge you. People will doubt you. But their opinions don't pay your bills. Their opinions don't sleep in your bed at night. Only you live with your choices. Finally, it is never too late to change. Whether you're 20 or 40 or 60, you can choose to follow your heart. Many people reach the end of their lives with one regret. I wish I had the courage to live a life true to myself. Do not let that be you. Stop chasing others' dreams. Dare to be different. Your life is yours to create.